In question 4, we're asked for the circumference of the circle. To do this, you really need to know the formula, which is the circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. In this case, we're given the radius. Now, in order to work out the diameter, you must multiply the radius by 2, which is 23.4. Then to work out the circumference, it's going to be pi, or 3.14, times 23.4. When you calculate this, you get 73.476, but really to two decimal places you would put that as 73.48. In order to answer question 5, you really need to change each fraction to have the same denominator, and again you should really be looking for the one which has the highest denominator and seeing if we can change the others to that. So 3/10 when multiplied by 6 becomes 18 over 60. 7/20 when multiplied by 3 becomes 21 over 60. 4/15 when multiplied by 4 becomes 16 over 60. So now we have them all given the same denominator. We really need to turn our 1/4 into some fraction over 60, which is actually 15 over 60, because we're multiplying it by 15, and therefore it's easy now to say that actually the one that is closest to a quarter is the 16 over 60, or 4/15. In part B in this question, we have to write down the meaning of the 0.57 with the two dots above it. These two dots mean we have a recurring decimal, and because there's a dot over each number, it means that both these numbers are recurring. Therefore, we can quite simply write that actually 0.57 recurring is 0.575757, and it continues on from there. In question 6, we're asked to write an equation in terms of y, and in order to help us, we can use the fact that these three angles total 180 degrees. So we have 2 upon y minus 14 plus y plus another y equal 180. You could simplify it and solve it, but that really comes in part B, so you should be allowed to just write the answer as this. In part B, we're now asked to solve it, and really in order to solve this equation we must expand out the brackets. So doing that, we get 2y minus 28 plus another 2y equals 180. Simplifying that, we get 4y minus 28 equals 180. Adding 28 to both sides, we get 4y. I'll just write that a bit better. 4y is equal to 208. So therefore, I'll just come over here. Y is equal to 52 degrees.